Puzzle books! Puzzle books! But I got no idea where to start. Well, if that's you, actually, you're speaking my language because that is exactly me. I've got no idea where to start when it comes to puzzle books and other kind of game-type low-content books. So, what I did was I got Keith Wheeler Books' Puzzle Book Domination course, and I just wanted to walk you through. I'm not going to show everything because that's part of his course, but let me just run you through what you do get at the moment, and I'll come back to why I say at the moment. So you get profitable puzzles and game types, and he gives you intros, the detailed tutorials with instruction files. He shows you how to create your own custom games and how to use software to enhance your puzzle books, how to make puzzle books more profitable, how to build a brand. Now this one I'm very big on because I like to put in the effort up front and not too much effort after that. So building a brand that lasts long into the future is kind of my jam, really. I like to do that. Anyway, he also discusses puzzle book covers and tips and tricks and much more. Now, there is more than just this, and you'll see. So currently the price is just $97, lifetime access, and I'll include a link in the description below if you want to check that out. It's an affiliate link. No additional cost to you, but it does go to support the channel. So once you signed up, or well, I signed up, so I paid the full price and I signed up, and I'm just going through the course. I got this a while back, but I haven't had time, and the reason I got this course is because I just don't have the time to go through every single thing, and I want to show you. I'm not going to show you exact puzzles that he does because there's quite a lot, but he does, you know, go into a lot of detail on, you know, things like what is dominating, what does domination of the puzzle book niche mean, and what you should or shouldn't do. And one of the things that really caught me was that he doesn't suggest that you you basically duplicate the same thing, because that would be a really bad idea. So I'm glad that was in, and he's got more than 14. So if we go back to the profitable puzzles and game types, it says 14, but actually he's got more than 14, and he goes through a whole lot of stuff, including how to you know, build your brand and stuff like that, including niche research. So that was really interesting for me. So if you want to check that out, I've got a link below. Now, who is Keith Wheeler? He's an author, coach, and advocate. He's got a YouTube channel over here. I'll make sure I include a link below. Let's just go through, you know, for example, the introduction, and he explains what this course is about, what to expect in this one, what he means by dominating puzzle books, and in each of these puzzle, I guess, puzzle types, okay, he introduces you to the puzzle, and then he shows you in detail. So the introduction, for example, over here is 1 minute video, followed by a 12-minute video of detailed instructions, along with a download PDF where you can, you know, once you create your game or custom game or whatever it is, you can include that in your puzzle book as to how to play the game. So I just want to show you an example of that. And yeah, he explains, you know, how many players play this game, and how to play the game, including the rules. So that's what's included in the course. And I just want to say that Keith has been around for a long time, and if you go to his YouTube channel, just in case you're wondering, you know, he's been around back in the day when CreateSpace was still around. This is, you know, way, you know, a few years ago now, okay, and CreateSpace got bought over by KDP or Amazon, and he's got nearly 1 million views on his channel, and he's been around since, at least on YouTube, since 2017, so that's quite a while. And he's also well, I don't know how recent, but he's also won some awards for his books as well. Now, if you want to go check that out, it's called Puzzle Book Domination. It's perfect for people who don't have the time to go and research what kind of games there are, what kind of puzzle books there are. It's all kind of in one place, which is why I got this course, because quite frankly, I am short on time, so, you know, getting the course will kind of give me a head start instead of spending hours and hours on YouTube or Amazon to search for what kind of books there are. And not just that, I would have to search for hours to see how to create these things. So with that in mind, with specifically time in mind, this course is really good, I think, because it summarizes more than 14 kind of puzzles. It's got way more than 14. And just so you know, Keith is actually updating the course very soon, which is why, like, for me, this is just my preference. I like to pay for courses just a one-off fee. This is a one-off fee for lifetime access, and whatever, as far as I understand, whatever comes through in the future, it's going to get updated in the course for free. Alright, so it's one-time payment and lifetime access. So if you want to go check out the course, feel free to use my affiliate link. Link will be in the description below. I shall see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.